animation is the most fun you'll ever have.
Kind of makes you feel limitless, doesn't it?
I'd say animation is art.
Anything you can dream of, you can make.
Like, the only limitation is sort of what you can draw.
At QUT, animation is based around effective storytelling, building believable characters and environments that utilize 2D, 3D, and virtual production techniques. Students come into animation the first year and delve into the theory of animation, and then develop skills into mechanics and motion. In second year, students can look to develop skills outside of the animation major that might complement their studies, such as doing post-production compositing or potentially production design. In third year, students will undertake a narrative project or a self-contained group work collaboration where they follow industry pipeline in creating a short animated output.
You go through the pre-production, production, post-production process, and instead of just skill learning, we sort of learn the ins and outs of how this would be implemented into standard companies that we might be working in the future.
The facilities here at QUT are so amazing and have definitely helped me become a better animator.
We have world-class virtual production studios, we have motion capture, we have photogrammetry, which allows us to scan in real-world objects and bring them into a 3D space. In addition to that, we can manifest those 3D forms into a tactile output through 3D print.
Some of the really key softwares that you get to use here are Maya and ZBrush and Unreal. So it's whatever you're most comfortable in is what you can work in.
QUT is a leader in the virtual production space. We have a commercialized studio here, which is used by industry. This allows students to see how practical application of industry projects are applied on campus here. Within virtual production, students need to leverage their skills within modeling, rigging, texturing to populate an Unreal environment that they can then apply motion capture data to and utilize that for creating their final year capstone projects.
So QUT have been very flexible when it comes to what I can do. Although I major in animation, I have chosen a minor in architectural studies in the past year.
The flexibility of the course meant that I can work both on film projects and animated projects.
QUT's offering in animation is unique because of the flexibility it offers. You can really pursue animation in depth, but also bring in other elements of creative practice through visual arts, through film, through story development. Anything that you want to do creatively, you can harness in your degree and get a better full-rounded creative experience catered to your needs. So the future of animation is quite diverse. Technology is changing fast, AI is here. If you go down the street, animation saturates everything. You can see it on the billboards, on your TV, on your phone. So at QUT, we're here to make sure that what we're teaching in the curriculum has direct impact with what you could potentially create and where you could show it. It's not just for the screen anymore, it's for the everyday world.
When I think about who makes a good animator, it's definitely someone who's not afraid to push the boundaries or challenge themselves.
A good animator could be anyone, absolutely anyone.
If you're creatively minded, if you enjoy sketching, if you enjoy the fantastical worlds, then you'd be a good fit as an animator.